Hey guys, what's up? It's James. I have 2 packs to open for you guys. These are the new blisters. This one is all it comes with is just a Legendary Treasures booster pack, and then a promo card and a coin. This is $4.99 at Target, so you should go pick one up. So I got both of them. It's either an Ampharos or an Aggron. For this video, I'll open the Ampharos, and in another video, I'll open the Aggron. So, camera down. Alright, sorry guys for taking a little while. We have the Ampharos promo holo with the, not the line pattern, the Galaxy holo, that's what you call it. It's the same one from Dragons Exalted, except it has the Galaxy holo. And I will be opening the Japanese X collection box soon, so stay tuned for that. And here's the Shaman Jirachi coin. Back, and we have the Genesect artwork for Legendary Treasures. Hopefully we can get an EX too. So we have, let's focus, a DCE, a Stunfisk, a Snivy, and Oshawott, Minchino, a Solotl, nice Kyurem holo. It's pretty cool artwork there. A Reuniclus rare, a Stunfisk from Radiant Collection on Uncommon, and an Aladino. So we got pretty cool Kyurem full in this part. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.